Hello friends, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of slugs in your garden. Slugs are insects that can damage your garden and the grass, but you don't need to still worry about that. This remedy will help you to how to remove and get rid of slugs into your garden, your home. To make this remedy we will need few natural ingredients. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol spray can kill soft-bodied insects that can attack and destroy plants. Next one is diatomaceous earth. A powdery granular material, it can be sprinkled around the garden beds or individual parts of plants. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper sprinkled around the plant is reported or irritate both snails and slugs when they slide over it. Now we can prepare this remedy. At the first we need 1.5 cup of rubbing alcohol into the bowl. Now we can just add 1.5 teaspoon of diatomaceous earth into the mixture. Now we can add just 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. In the last, as optional, you can add 1 teaspoon of neem oil as optional if you want, but not necessary. Mix it well. Now look, the remedy is ready to use and the spray is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.